Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Mazda key fob. This you need a little tool, something long and slender. It doesn't need to be a flathead, doesn't need to be Phillips, just you could use a pair of tweezers, anything long and skinny. And then also you need your replacement battery. This takes a 1620, and you can get these on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. There's a link below in the description, and that will take you right to Amazon. You can get what you need. Okay, so first thing you want to do is open up the actual key. Now, let me see if I can catch it in the light here. Right in here, boy, that's kind of, okay, right here, this little slot, you push that in. And when you push that in, these separate. So this is what you're pushing down right here. Push that down. See, it's got like a little spring there. Push that down and pull it out. Okay, so now that you have that out, that's the difficult part. Take this, put your whatever you're using. This is just a little Phillips head. I got it from a little cell phone repair kit. Prop that up right there. Okay, and there's your battery. That's the 1620. You can get it out right here. Just be careful, it might fling out. All right, you get your new battery, and you can see right there it says positive side down, which is generally the writing on these batteries. Okay, so that's there. This goes like that, and then this literally just clips right back in. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.